Hi, I'm Kathy. I'm 55. And if you told me a year ago that today I'd have a YouTube channel about learning tech and AI, I would have laughed, cried, and immediately Googled, what the heck is AI? I'm not a tech expert. I didn't grow up with smartphones. I couldn't even use a computer a few months ago before starting this channel. I'm just a regular woman trying to figure out this wild new world, out loud and on camera. And here's what I've learned. You don't have to be 20 or perfect or fearless to start something new. You just have to be curious and a little stubborn. And I've got both. On this channel, I try new AI tools and try to learn tech that I've avoided my entire life. And I show you the actual steps that I'm using, the tiny wins, the oh my gosh, what did I just click moments, and the moments where it finally all makes sense. So if you're over 50, or honestly, any age, and you feel like tech is passing you by, you're not alone. I'm learning this from scratch, right alongside you. I'll give you copy paste prompts, simple examples, real life demos, and plenty of Kathy style. Honesty, mistakes included, especially mistakes. So if you want a friendly place to learn AI without feeling dumb or overwhelmed or behind, come sit with me. We're getting it together one step at a time. So welcome to the channel. Let's learn this stuff together.